Circle. A circle is a simple closed curve such that any point on the curve is at a definite distance from a point located in the interior of the curve. This point located in the interior of the circle is called the center of the circle. The radius of a circle is a line connecting the center of a circle to any point on the circle. A line passing through the center of a circle connecting 2 points on the circle is called the diameter. The length of the diameter is 2 times the radius. The line connecting 2 points on the circle that does not necessarily pass through the center is called a chord. Circumference is the distance around the edge of a circle. The circular region surrounded by 2 radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of a circle. The circular region surrounded by a chord and its corresponding arc is called a segment. The arc of a circle is a part of the circumference of a circle.